Health saving account can be a great tool for the individuals who are looking to save money on the healthcare expenses. And here are the top 5 reasons why you need to invest your money into the health saving accounts. Starting with the most basic one, it provides you tax advantages. Contributing to a health saving account is a tax deductible, and the funds that grow in the health saving accounts are tax free. Also, if you withdraw some money over the healthcare expenses, it is also a tax free money. Now moving on to the next one, it provides you lower healthcare cost. These accounts are specially designed to help individuals to pay for the qualified medical expenses, and it helps you to lower down your medical expenses. Also, these accounts can be used to pay for a wide range of pre-qualified medical expenses such as deductibles, co-payments, prescriptions, and many more, which gives you another reason to invest your funds into the health saving accounts. Now, unlike a flexible spending accounts, health saving account funds roll over a period of time from years to years, so your account can continue to grow over a period of time. Lastly but not the least, it gives you control. With health saving account, individuals have control over their medical expenses, and also they can make decision on how to utilize their funds. Now these all reasons provide you immense knowledge to invest your funds into the health saving account, but it is also important to know the rules and regulation for the health saving accounts into your areas. And also do not forget to follow Penny Calling Penny for more personal finance advices.